The kitchen is another place where you want to really think about depleting and using what you already have. So a good place to look for that is the freezer, because that's a place where you're storing things that you're not going to use for a while. And so, for instance, in my freezer, I'm going to want to use up these peas. Going to be having peas for dinner in the next couple of weeks. And anything else in here that I can go ahead and use up so that I don't have to move it. One reason for that is obviously just so that I don't have to move the bulk. And another reason is because moving things that need to stay cold, any kind of perishable item, is obviously there's a little bit of a complication in moving that because it needs to stay cold. So, but the same goes for dry goods and for canned goods. If something is expired, get rid of it. If something is good, then go ahead and eat it. You know, and try not to buy anything. If you can go, 2 weeks. If you only have 3 more servings of rice, if you can go 2 weeks without buying rice, it's going to make your move a little bit easier.